Okay, so there's the wheelchair. Ayan na po yung wheelchair. Dala po ni Brad Danny tsaka ni Sir Rogelio. May kasama pong vitamins and free vitamins, free face mask. Yan, so ito po yung bahay ni Lola. Ayan na po ulit.
Right now in the house of Inang Lorenza Galieto, and we will donate one wheelchair for her. This is Nanay Lorenzana Galieto. This is our recipient.
Daily basketballista nga ni Galieto.
Ayan, hindi na mahihirapan si nanay.
Sige,
Bunungan nyo dagigi ko ito. Tao na magamit kami.
Nanay, ito pong wheelchair na ito ay galing po nanay sa Special Children's Foundation nanay. Ijay Holland, kiniapo Arsenia Bernabe, dan ni Daddy Hans. Kanagijay, taga Jay Holland nanang ang nagitod dahil pasalamat kayo nanang ang. One, dahil kami. Oh. Okay. We have Councilor Gladys Agustin, Vice Mayor Noel de la Cruz, Bong Arellano, and Gil Clemente. This is the house of Inang Lorenzana Galieto. I think she's living with her apo, grandchildren po.
Madam, anak na mama,
grandchildren, and
Dito tayo.